Welcome to another episode of C2E TV with 拖鞋帮. In this episode, we'll be introducing the new McDonald's release NewJeans times McDonald's sweet and spicy Max crispy set. Let's take a look. So when you take away, you will get this cute little bag. So the NewJeans. Look at the rabbits. Interesting. Pixel kind of thing. Yeah, including this packaging. So here they have launched this dark chocolate sea salt frap. Let's try. We ordered a small one. You can top up to 10 to get this set for $12.35. Try it. Wow, I like the dark chocolate, but the saltiness makes it a bit weird. I think I prefer without sea salt for this chocolate fat. So interesting drink, but I will not recommend it. So next will be the crisp cut fries. This one normal lah. Nothing special. I prefer the normal McDonald's fries. Okay. Now we have come to the star of the show. Ta-da! Sweet and spicy but crispy. Let's try. How's the sauce taste like? Wow, quite saucy, oh. Wow, quite saucy leh. Really? Oh, this time the sauce is quite different. Initially I thought it's like Jiang sauce. Actually, quite nice. It's sweet and a little bit of spiciness at the end. Ooh. If you cannot take spicy, this one should be okay for you. Okay, to head down to McDonald's this week and try it out for yourself. Bye.